Moving on now to more breaking news that's coming in. Sukesh Chandrasekhar has now been granted bail. This is in the two-leaf symbol against TTV Dinakaran. The bail has been granted by Rouse Avenue Court here in the national capital. Remember, Sukesh Chandrasekhar was accused of acting as a middleman between TTV Dinakaran and an election commission officer. The allegation was that he had tried to bribe this poll officer to obtain the party's two-leaf symbol for the Sasikala faction. Ananya, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Yes, Ananya.
Well, definitely, the court has now granted him bail, considering the period of incarceration that he's already gone through in this particular.
We'll try and reconnect that line with my colleague Ananya, but what we're learning is that Sukesh Chandrasekhar has been granted bail in this one particular case. He had moved the Delhi High Court against the framing of charges against him in this particular case. This happened in March last year. Sukesh Chandrasekhar had been accused of acting as a middleman for AIADMK leader TTV Dinakaran, and he was accused of trying to bribe an election commission officer to obtain the party's two-leaf symbol for Sasikala's faction back then. The allegations by him, of course, were denied. Now we're learning that bail has been granted. Ananya, I believe, is now back with us. Yes, Ananya, you were talking to us about what exactly transpired.
Well, he has now secured a bail in this particular case. However, he will remain in the jail since he is also an accused in fact, the 200 crore bribery case, which involved, the wife of the former promoter of, in fact, Religare Finvest. And very clearly and categorically, the court has noted that there is a delay, that is taking place, and the right and the life and liberty of an individual is sacrosanct, and that has been reiterated by the Supreme Court even in cases of criminal. And hence, this bail has now been granted to, in fact, Sukesh Chandrasekhar in the TTV Dinakaran, this two-leaf bribery case. Remember that Sukesh Chandrasekhar acted as a middleman to bribe, in fact, the election officer, so that the two-leaf symbol of the AIADMK could be actually obtained by the Sasikala faction. All remember, all of this happened after, in fact, the death of AIADMK's leader, and when the party, broke into two factions, which was one which was led by EPS, and hence, Sukesh had tried to do this to get this symbol for the Sasikala faction.
Right, Ananya, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front.